The heart, like a garden, thrives on love, but even in the face of a storm, it possesses the remarkable ability to heal and bloom again. Heartbreak is universal. It's a shared human experience, as common as laughter and tears. The pain of a lost love can feel overwhelming, like a tidal wave crashing over you. You might feel lost, alone, and unsure of how to move forward. But there is hope. Just like a garden after a storm, your heart has an incredible capacity to heal and blossom again. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Millions have walked this path before you, and millions more will walk it in the future. This shared experience connects us all. It reminds us that even in our darkest moments, the human spirit possesses an incredible ability to rise again, stronger and more beautiful than before. Heartbreak is a messy process. You might feel a whirlwind of emotions, sadness, anger, confusion, and loneliness. Allow yourself to feel these emotions fully. Don't try to suppress them or rush through them. Give yourself permission to grieve the loss of the relationship. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can help you process your emotions. They can offer support and a listening ear. Remember, it's okay to not be okay. Be kind to yourself during this time. Allow yourself to heal at your own pace. Countless individuals have not only survived heartbreak, but thrived afterward. Think of artists who channeled their pain into breathtaking music or literature. Consider entrepreneurs who use their experiences to build successful businesses. These stories remind us that heartbreak can be a catalyst for growth and transformation. It can lead us to discover hidden strengths, pursue new passions, and create a life richer and more meaningful than we ever thought possible. Section 4. Charting your course. Steps to starting over. Starting over after heartbreak can feel daunting, but it's possible. Begin by focusing on self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's reading, spending time in nature, or pursuing a hobby. Reconnect with yourself. Rediscover your passions and dreams. Set small, achievable goals for yourself each day. These small steps forward will eventually lead you back to a place of hope and happiness. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 5. Embracing the horizon. Heartbreak, however painful, is a stepping stone. It's an opportunity for growth, self-discovery, and new beginnings. As you heal, you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. You'll learn to love yourself more deeply and set healthy boundaries in future relationships. Embrace the unknown future with courage and an open heart. The world is full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. Trust that you have the strength to move forward and create a life filled with love, joy, and fulfillment. Believe in your ability to heal and embrace the beautiful journey of starting over.